is a little quick demo of how to use or how to cut with a Dresden ruler. I like to cut 3 layers of fabric at a time, and you want to just stack them and then go ahead and cut off their selvage. All right, now you've got your Dresden ruler. You want to find the size that you want to cut, depends on the pattern. I'm going to cut with the 3.5 inch line. And that 3.5 line is going to sit right on top of this fabric, and then the bottom edge of the ruler is going to sit flush with this edge of the strip. The first set of blades is a little awkward to cut, but after that, they cut pretty smoothly. Line it up, and I want to try to get it as close as, I can to this edge here. Hold it in place and cut. And I'm just going to shift this just a little bit. Come over to this side. I find it better to work at a corner of a table the way these things get cut, and cut right there. And so there are my first 2 Dresden blades. The second set, we're going to flip the ruler. You'll line back up. Now this edge of your strip has already been cut, so you will line that up flush with that edge of the ruler. And notice that I flipped my ruler, and then I'll cut on this side. Shift the fabric out of the way, flip the ruler, line back up, 3.5 inch line and the bottom of the ruler, and then this side, cut, pull back on the strip, and then I'm going to do this until I've cut 10 times. You want to cut 10 times down the strip of the fabric because Dresden plates made with this ruler have 20 blades each. When you shift that fabric away from the ruler, make sure that you pull all the strips if you're using multiple layers. If you fail to shift them all together, it'll just mean that your cutting will not be as accurate. Every time you cut, make sure you're paying attention to the bottom of the ruler, making sure it's lined up to one side of the fabric, and the 3.5 inch line or whatever line you're using is lined up to the other side of the fabric. If cutting this way feels a little bit awkward, that's okay. That's part of the journey. The more you come back to cutting with a Dresden ruler, the easier it's going to get for you. For more Dresden plate tutorials, check out southerncharmquilts.com under the Dresden plate tutorial section.